Hey friend, are you looking to get effortless Google rankings and YouTube rankings on your videos? And maybe you heard about the Video Marketing Blaster. Well, guess what? In this exciting episode today, we're going to do a Video Marketing Blaster review. As a matter of fact, what are you going to learn in this video? We're going to learn who is the creator and are they legit? What is Video Marketing Blaster? How much do you need to invest in order to get access to it? And we're going to go through all the upsells. I'll give you a back office tour on this thing, go through some of the pros and cons of this program, and then give you my final rating to help you decide whether or not Video Marketing Blaster is worth your time, all right? So hey, before we get into it, if you're new to this channel, my name is Njigha, and this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindset and the online skill sets to get results, make money, and drive breakthroughs, all right? So if you like content like that, tutorials, reviews like this, then definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel and smash that bell too, because you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos, which is pretty much almost daily, all right? So let's get into this. This is the Video Marketing Blaster review. It is a ClickBank product that you can find. Is it legit? Is it worth your time? Can you get more ranking? Oh, and by the way, if you want to check out Video Marketing Blaster, I do have a link to the product in the description below, so you can check that out if you feel like you want to get more information. All right. So who are the creators of Video Marketing Blaster? It was three gentlemen. One by the name of Ali G, another guy named Stoika, and the other one is named Vlad M. All right. And so from what I could tell, they seem to be pretty legit. They've been online marketing for like 10 plus years, have created a lot of product launches, and so they're pretty familiar with what they were doing. We'll take a look at the sales page. You can see it was pretty good too. So they've been in it, and this is a pretty interesting software tool. Now, who is this for? Who is Video Marketing Blaster for? It's anyone who wants to make money online from home, especially if you're a home business entrepreneur. If you're an affiliate marketer, right, this is of use to you. Internet marketing, specifically my YouTube video marketers, all right, because video is a powerful way. So if you're using video in any way, shape, form, or fashion, and using on YouTube, then this may be of interest to you. Now, what exactly is Video Marketing Blaster? Well, according to my guy here, Ali G, they're saying that this is a video ranking software tool that will help you rank for keywords in literally 3 clicks, okay, based on a reverse engineering of the YouTube algorithm. So somehow they were able to figure out all the key factors that go into rankings that YouTube looks at, and they reverse engineered it to create this tool that will automatically create optimized titles for you, descriptions, and tags based on your main keyword. And it basically simplifies the entire process so that you can create free targeted YouTube traffic, okay, because that's what YouTube is really powerful for. So that's what they're claiming it is. All right, so we're going to take a quick look into it. Now, before we do, hey, what's the pricing on this thing? The main offer on the Video Marketing Blaster is $27. Then there are a couple upsells. All right, so then you got the Video Marketing Blaster Pro or VMB Pro. That's $47. Basically, on top of that, you're going to get niche analysis, you'll get rank trackers, and you'll be able to run multiple campaigns along with it. Upsell number 2 is their local pack for $37, and that's basically training that shows you how to be able to get more clients by helping people in your local area who obviously they too, you got local businesses who need rankings, they need more leads, they need more customers, so you can help them do that, and they show you how to do that, so that's worth checking out. And then upsell number 3 is their Live Event Blaster Pro, $67. They show you how to use live events or premieres and streamed video content, like the YouTube live video content, to like rank and how to make that help you get more leads and sales and things like that. So that's worth checking out. All right, so let's take a quick look at the sales page here. This is the sales page here with Ali G. He's talking about how you can just use 3 clicks to rank on Google and YouTube to get a tidal wave of free traffic, okay? So he kind of goes through the whole tool, the whole video there, and his whole story. There's a bunch of testimonials here of people who are saying, hey, they've been using it and have gotten a lot of results. And so it's interesting because they would have a lot of testimonials, because I can tell that this product has been out for some time now. And I saw a couple other videos out there that have been about a year or 2 years or so. So they obviously, it would make sense that they obviously have a lot of testimonials here. And so that's what they're saying here. Hey, you don't need backlinks. You don't need a bunch of different stuff to like start ranking pretty quickly and getting indexed and ranked on YouTube for your videos. All right. And so that's what they're basically saying here in their story, in this letter here. And they're giving you the entire course here, the entire software tool here. And like I said, it just helps you basically find out the keywords that you want to get, and then give you an optimized setup, which I'm going to show you a nice little demo real quick, and then you just can copy and paste that into your videos, and allegedly that will give you a ton of rankings and views real quick. And as you can see, I just want to show you this, man. This man got a lot of results. They got a lot of testimonials here, so there's a lot of people who are saying that this works. So this is where it's pretty interesting. All right, so If you do decide to take them up on an offer, purchase the software tool for $27. The first thing is you will have to download this software launcher tool, as that's what this is right here. So they have other products that you can download. So you would basically just click here to download the Video Marketing Blaster. They'll send you the login through your email. So you want to get that email to be able to log in here. Once you do that, that will take you to here. Once you click on that to run it, this Video Marketing Blaster dashboard right here, right? So that's what this looks like. So this is the dashboard. They'll tell you how many campaigns and things you got. They give you all the statistics and data on your videos that you got so far, and then there's a few training videos up here. Then you want to come here where it says keywords up here. So maybe we can make this a little bit bigger just so you can see this thing here, but I don't want to get it out in the way. All right, so you got some keywords here. So you click on that, and that's going to take you here. Now you can't watch the video. I recommend you watch the video though. He does kind of explain it, but I'll give you a quick tidbit of what he talks about. Basically, this is where you're going to be able to search your keywords and start getting ideas. Okay, the whole thing is that, and if you've done YouTube, you've done SEO, just basic stuff, you'll know that hey, you have a seed keywords. Like say for example, our seed keyword that we're going to use here is make money online. Okay, that's a short keyword. Obviously trying to go after that keyword would be extremely difficult no matter what you do, especially if you're a brand new channel, because it has a lot of competition. So the trick is to go after more longer tailed keywords. Okay, and so that's what he talks about. And so you could click here to get search results. Search results will just tell you how many people are searching and how many competition videos are out there. And so he said he recommends to not search that. Then you have generate video details, and so that will give you more information about the tags, descriptions, and titles and stuff. He says to hold off on that as well, but you can also click on, might want to click on also research for search suggestions so that you can be able to rank in the search and recommended search sections of the YouTube, which is a good place you want to be in. All right, and then once you do that, you can just go over here and click research keyword. So now it's going to start gathering the competitors' data on this particular keyword, make money online, and it's going to try to find a bunch of keywords, long tail, short tail, that are all kind of corresponding to this main keyword. So we're going to give it a quick second. All right, so now it came back with this list. So now you can see it, right? There's a whole bunch of keywords here all around make money online. We can extend it here so you can kind of see it. And they'll tell you the sources that they got it from. Some got from tags, some from YouTube suggestions, all right? And then your YouTube suggestions from competitors. So that may be one that's pretty good, from tags, suggestions from long tail competitors, right? So those are keywords that you might want to take a look at, for example, right? And then he says that the ranking is, the higher the rank here means the more searching, the more powerful the keyword is. But of course, if it's too high of a rank, then you might have a hard time trying to rank for it. So you can see make money online has a 1958 rank. That means it's a good keyword, but it's extremely competitive, might not be worth going after. So you want to go after something that's a little bit probably in between, but not anything that's like, too low, that it's not even worth looking at. And so he says that you want to look at these longer tail keywords, right? And so what you can do is, like, say we pick out one like make money online 2019 Google money. Let's say we do easiest way to make money online as a broke beginner. Let's say we do easiest way to make money online without investment. And then let's say we do make money online with Tumblr without blogging, right? In fact, I think I saw someone do a video like this one. All right. And so let's say you do that one, and maybe we'll do one more just because I want to see what it looks like from competitors tags, right? Earn money online. Let's do that one. All right. And then so what you can do then is you can actually then from that point right click, and you can say get search results for selected keywords. All right. So then what it's going to do is going to get search results specifically for the keywords that we selected. So here you see 3,801 searches on that one. Let's see what else we got here. And did it give out? Oh, okay. Well, I thought we got them all. So we're just going to get search results here for selected. And so then it's giving you the competition basically is what it's doing. Right, so it's giving you the competition. So even though this one has rank of 54, it's got 700,000 search results. So that's a lot of competition. But if you look at this one, right, earn money online, Google money 6,000. This one, broke beginner 3,000. These are actually pretty good, right? If they're like less than 15 or 10,000, that's actually pretty good. So what you can then do, you could copy this to clipboard, and then I think he says you can go to video details, and then you can actually type in just one of the keywords. So what we're gonna do is just type in one of the keywords here from competitors. You click on from competitors, type in one of these keywords that we saw. Let's say we'll just paste it in. He's like, hey, you could put all of them in there, but probably what we can do is just put in one at a time so that it can search it. So we'll just kind of use easiest way to make money online. We'll just use that first one, make money online without investment, right? And then you can hit target related videos also and generate sentences by scraping Google. So you can do all these things and it'll actually create all this for you. Then if you hit start generating, what it's gonna do is now go search to give you an optimized title, description, and tags. So let's wait a quick second for it to do that. All right, so now after waiting about 30 seconds, it's going ahead and filled it in for us, right? So look at this. Basically what it's done is filled in an optimized title for you, right? Based on the keyword that you selected. It's filled in some description items too and some tags. So that's actually pretty cool. Now, obviously, you'll probably need to come in here and kind of tweak this, make it look nice and actually make sense so that it reads and flows nicely. So the tags look good. And what's cool too is that they actually give you some suggested phrases that you can actually include in your description if you needed more stuff. And let's say if you wanted to include this phrase here, if you double clicked it, it'll automatically include it inside the description for you. So that's pretty good. And then the same thing with tags too, right? Suggested tags. If you wanted to include a few more tags, like maybe you didn't like this one, right? You can just kind of highlight it, delete it, and then maybe you just want to put how to make extra money online without paying anything. Double click it, boom, it shows up in your tags. So that's actually pretty cool. So there's a lot of advantages there that you can do. So and then all you would have to do is just basically take all of this and copy and paste it. And if you wanted, you can export the whole thing right here. You can export it to CSV and to other different tools that they have here. You can save it to web or whatever. So I mean, it's pretty cool. You can create from a template. So hey, it's pretty cool. And then you can just take that and paste it in your videos, and that would actually save you quite a bit of time. So I actually kind of like that. All right, so there's obviously a whole bunch of different things you could do with that. That was probably the basics to it. So what do I like so far about the Video Marketing Blaster? Hey, it can serve as a great, pretty decent keyword research tool for free, by the way, right? It's just $27, and you can find low competition buyer keywords that nobody is doing anything with. You saw how we were able to see the search results. The lower the better, and if it's got a high rank at the same time, well, that's obviously a nice little sweet spot, right? And then you can create title, description, and tags for you, can help you save time when you're doing your videos. Reasonable pricing, if you ask me, and it's a one-time payment for it. Hey, and then on top of it, the money-back guarantee for ClickBank products. So hey, you can't get mad at that. Some of the things I don't like that you do have to be aware of, just to keep in mind, is that number one, it's not compatible on Mac. Okay, so you can't use this software tool on the Mac. You'd have to have a PC. So if my Mac people, that might be a problem. Number two is, if you have to think about it, how does it really compare to more established tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy, right? Because they essentially kind of do the same thing. They don't create the description and title for you, but they have a lot of resources and tools that pretty much can come and do the same thing. So you have to kind of decide whether or not it's worth having both. It might be, because these two items, vidIQ and TubeBuddy, are monthly to pay for. So you got to decide on that. And then the big thing is to remember is that the keywords is but only one main factor in ranking, okay? Keywords is nice, but you got to think there's a lot of other things that go into ranking. And the two biggest ones when I think about it is click-through rate and watch time, okay? It's nice to have some keywords that you're going after, but at the end of the day, the big thing that YouTube looks at is click-through rate. How many people are clicking through on your video? And that is a function of the headline title that you have and your thumbnail. If your thumbnail sucks, it does not matter. You will have a poor rankings, okay? And that kind of takes time, all right? And then watch time. How far into your video are people watching? Are they jumping on the video and then clicking right off 30 seconds later? That's going to destroy your rankings on your videos, okay? And so, like I said, keywords are good because, hey, you can rank and get rank for keywords that are not having any competition. And I definitely agree, as that's the best way for a beginner to get started. But then do remember and do recall that there are other factors that are there, particularly click-through and watch time, that are very, very important for the overall success of your videos and your channel, all right? And then remember, at the end of the day, this is simply a tool for your business and not your business. So don't think that this is going to be the difference in your business, right? You still got to put in the work. You still got to come ready every single day and put in work. But at the end of the day, if you ask me, I like this tool. It's pretty cool. I'll give it 4 stars, okay? Because it's a simple but extremely effective tool, especially for beginners, to optimize keywords, titles, tags, and descriptions. Because that's a lot of the time when you're getting started, your goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers as quickly as possible. And a great way to do that is to create videos specifically with keywords and make sure that stuff is optimized. And I know beginners tend to not do that. I know I didn't. You're just creating videos all willy-nilly, and you don't realize that you need to be very specific and have a strategy and a game plan, all right? So this helps you do that, and it helps you increase your rankings and generate more free traffic and grow your YouTube channel overall. So that's my recommendation right there. So I hope that was helpful for you. I hope you found value in this, all right? Because I think, like I said, this can definitely be helpful for you. In fact, if you found value, hey, definitely give the video a like, all right? Consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to check out Video Marketing Blaster Pro, then check out the link in the description below. I do have a link for you to check that out, all right? And so until the next exciting episode, my friend, be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.